video by the way, so don't say something stupid. Okay, here we go. We have to drive through the floods. This is really a bad idea. If I get fucking wet, I ain't gonna be happy. Temperature going right up, it's not even blowing that hot air. This is we'll have to leave the car if it gets dark.
We've got some roof.
Oh yes, result.
Get out of there.
Will it open?
Oh,
Fuck's sake.
no, it won't turn it.
Well, if we smash it anyway, no matter.
It's stopping it. Like that.
This is fucking deep.
Just watch the doors, yeah?
Oh my god.
Go on, boy.
There's
There's not water coming in.
fucking.
Get a grip. There's nothing coming in yet. Keep going.
If you open that door, the water will be in.
Yeah, it will. But look, there's nothing coming in, man. This is cool. Keep going.
I'm scared.
Air intake. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's died.
Oh.
How'd you start it?
Something like that. Screwed up, maybe. Oh, you fucking thick.
This is your fucking idea.
You see how far we've got to walk back into wet?
Result! Yeah, I'll tell you what, it's because the cunty thing's overheating.
Don't matter, keep going.
One actually, that'd be better.
There's still no water coming in, man. This is sick.
Oh my god, look how deep it is.
Yeah, but it don't matter. Do you know?
It does matter because if I get wet,
We're doing our bit for the community.
look how deep it is. Oh, it's died again. Oh my god. Why does my arse feel really cold?
You said there's a little roof. Oh shit, there's got the water coming down here, man. It's coming proper fast. It might get pushed away. Oh my god, really? That don't sound too good though.
Does it? Look at, it is deep because the water's pissing out the exhaust.
Oh, that's bubbles. I'm gonna get a video of that.
Oh my god. We are absolutely stupid.
Oh, water's coming.
Uh-oh. Get the fuck out of here. We'll come in the car now. Get out of the way, water. Oh my god, look at the wave.
Mate, I think the fucking printer will do well down here.
That is deep.
Mate, we did really well.
Hang on, I'm just going to open my door. There's the water.
I didn't get water in it.